Good day everyone, my name is Jana Jin Kembao. Before we talk about the culture and tourism of Vietnam, let me give you some background information about the country. The capital of Vietnam is Hanoi, and the official language they're using is Vietnamese or Tien Viet. People from Vietnam are called Vietnamese, and the country has a population of approximately 101.9 million and covers an area of about 331,690 square kilometers. The currency used is the Vietnamese dong, and the Vietnam follows Indochina time, which is UTC +7. Vietnam is located in Southeast Asia and shares borders with China, Laos, and Cambodia. The country has a long coastline along the South China Sea, and the Vietnam has three main regions, which is the northern, central, and southern Vietnam. The climate varies by region but is generally tropical with a rainy season and a dry season. And the country is known for mountains, rivers, rice fields, beaches, and beautiful natural landscapes. Vietnam has a socialist republic form of government. It is a one-party or single-party state led by the Communist Party of Vietnam. The government has executive, legislative, and judicial branches. The National Assembly is the highest legislative body in the country. General Lu Rong Kurong is the incumbent president of Vietnam. Vietnam does not have one dominant religion. Many Vietnamese people practice Buddhism along with folk religions such as ancestor worship. There are also Catholics, Protestants, and followers of other religions. Religion and traditional beliefs strongly influence Vietnamese culture and daily life. And the next topic that I will be discussing about Vietnam focus on four main areas: its work and business practices, social behavior, tourism assets, and important cultural traditions. Vietnam is a rapidly developing Southeast Asian country with a strong cultural identity shaped by history, family values, and tradition. Let's begin with work and business practices. Vietnamese work culture is strongly influenced by Confucian values. This means there is a strong respect for hierarchy, seniority, and authority. Decisions are usually made by senior managers rather than through group discussion. Building relationships is extremely important in Vietnamese business culture. Before making deals, people prefer to establish trust. Business meetings may focus first on relationship building rather than jumping directly into contracts. And when it comes to exchanging business cards, it is polite to use both hands. Formal dress is expected in professional settings and punctuality is appreciated. Major industries in Vietnam include manufacturing, agriculture, technology, and tourism, and the biggest business centers are Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi. And for the next topic, let's talk about the social behavior. Family plays a central role in Vietnamese society. Many families live in multi-generational households and great respect is given to elders. Communication in Vietnam is often indirect and people try to avoid open conflict or embarrassing others as maintaining harmony and saving face are very important cultural values. Religion and belief systems in Vietnam are a blend of Buddhism, Confucianism, Taoism, and ancestor worship. Many families have home altars to honor deceased relatives, and the two important religious sites include the One Pillar Pagoda in Hanoi and the Perfume Pagoda. When it comes to tourism assets, Vietnam is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Southeast Asia. One of its most famous natural attractions is Ha Long Bay, known for its beautiful limestone and islands. Another UNESCO site is Pong Na Kebang National Park, famous for its caves, and cultural and historical tourism is also important. Hoi An ancient town is known for its preserved architecture and its major beach destinations include Da Nang and Ta Trang. And for the next slide is important cultural practices. One of the most important holidays in Vietnam is Tet Nguyen Dan or also known as Tet. During Tet, families reunite, clean their homes, prepare special foods, and give children lucky money in red envelopes. It is the most significant celebration of the year. Ancestor worship is another key tradition. Families honor their ancestors on special anniversaries and holidays. Traditional clothing such as the ao dai is worn during formal occasions and cultural events. Vietnamese cuisine is also central to culture. Popular dishes include po, banh mi, and goi cuon. In conclusion, Vietnam is a country that successfully blends tradition with modernization. Its business culture values hierarchy and relationships. Its society emphasizes family and respect. Its tourism industry is rich in natural beauty and historical sites, and its cultural traditions remain strong and meaningful in everyday life. Thank you for listening.